Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to change payment icons on Shopify. So if you also want to change payment icons on Shopify, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So you can see over here, I have opened up the blog in which the steps to change the payment icons are mentioned. You'll be able to see the steps over here. So what you have to do is open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in shopify.com. Press enter. So you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Shopify. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you look at left, you can see several options over here. What you have to do is find the option for online store. Click on it. Now here you'll be able to see several options. Make sure you're in the themes interface. Now from here you'll be able to customize your themes. Wait for it to load. You can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Scroll down a bit. Now here you'll be able to find the option for customize. Right next to it you'll be able to find three dots. All you have to do is click on it. Now here you'll be able to see several options. At second last you'll be able to find the option for edit code. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be able to edit code from here. Here you'll be able to see several options. Click on this box that you can see right over here. Now type in footer.liquid. Now here you'll be able to find the section for footer.liquid. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here it will be opened. Let's go back to the blog. Now here you'll be able to see the code. All you have to do is find this code. Go back to Shopify. Now press Ctrl F on your keyboard. Now what you have to do is type in that code, or you can simply paste that code. Simply press Ctrl V on your keyboard. Now here you'll be able to find the code, but due to some reason I'm not being able to find the code right over here. It might be because it is not available in my region. Now what you have to do is after finding that code, go back to the blog. Now here you'll be able to find the code with which you're going to replace this code. Simply click at the beginning of the code. Now drag your mouse. Now simply press Ctrl C on your keyboard. Go back to Shopify. Now after finding that code, what you have to do is click on that code. Now select that code and replace the code with this code. Simply press Ctrl V in your keyboard. After you enter this code, you can go back to the blog. After this, the payment icon for Visa, Master, American Express and PayPal will be added. If you want to add more icons, you can see the options over here. Simply go ahead and add any option of your choice. After that, you'll be able to see that payment icon on Shopify. So that is how you change payment icons on Shopify. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.